Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 150 by 150. Select new, select metric, select sheet metal template, create, select sketch, select the plane, select center rectangle, create 150 tab, 150 rectangle, finish. Here select sheet metal defaults, remove this, give 3 mm thickness. Next select face. OK. Next select flange, select these two edges, give the length 150 mm, flange length. OK. Next here there are two cutouts. Select this surface, sketch, select create on circle, give the dimension 75, from the top 112.5. $75. $112.5. Select line, select this line and this, give a tangent constraint. Select line again, circle, create one more circle, dia 30. Create one center line here. Convert this as a construction line. Select line, create sketch like this. So remove the construction line. Select symmetric here. Select 3 lines. Give the dimension, this is 100 mm. Here to here angle 70 degree. Also here to here 28 mm. Yes, 28. Select project geometry, select this, this and this. That's it. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here go to 3D model, select extrude, select the cut option, select this. Okay. Edit sketch. Project geometry, select full surface, finish sketch. Now select extrude, select now these two surface, this and this. Okay, yeah. Select this extrusion, select mirror, mirror about center plane. Okay. That's it, friends. So we can assign the material here, stainless steel, and finishing also we can assign. Usually stainless steel will give stainless steel brushed like this, so I will give this. Next, there is a flat pattern option here. Create flat pattern. See, like this will come. Go to folded part. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you like this session, and also once again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. Save the part. Control S. Wherever you want you can save. Thanks for watching, friends, once again.